Got a minute? Let's talk about a website that can help you save on insurance. To get the best deal on auto and home insurance, you have to shop from time to time. You can start your search at helpinsure.com. We'll show you policies sold in your area, sample rates, and coverage types. You can also find a company's complaint record and financial rating to help you find a good company. State law requires people who drive in Texas to pay for accidents they cause. Most people do this with liability insurance. But a liability policy doesn't pay to repair or replace your car or treat your injuries. You might need more coverage. Home insurance pays to repair or replace your house and personal property if they're damaged by an event that's covered by your policy. It also provides liability protection, but the amount of coverage is limited, so make sure you have the coverage you need. Once you've narrowed your search, contact your top choices directly to get actual price quotes. And don't forget to ask about discounts. Help Insure is a service of the Texas Department of Insurance and the Office of Public Insurance Counsel.